we're gonna open this echo test kit. And let's see. Yeah, just turn it around. Looks like this, and put it down. And there's an alcohol pad.
It's upside down.
Alcohol pad. I'm gonna wipe a finger and dry it a little bit. And there's this little needles that you can use
to out yourself.
That's my setup.
I'm just gonna pinch
Oh!
and get some blood.
Ah, there's a lot of blood.
And I'm gonna get some blood samples here and put it here. Put it right.
The little one, the little circle.
It's not going.
We're gonna need a band-aid for that. We're gonna need a band-aid for that little finger.
It's not really coming out. No.
Sorry guys, but we're gonna need a band-aid for this later.
손 넣으면 안 돼. 계속 가지고 있다 해야 되네.
Okay, that's much
There we
better.
go.
Yep.
And then
It looks like ketchup.
we're gonna put this buffer. How much?
Let's
Just
get
one
it.
drop
Let's see it. Let's see it.
right away.
Let's look. Cut it.
Yeah. It's this little solution. Add it on top of the blood. Okay. And we're gonna see how it shows up.
So it may take 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yep.
Is
So
it?
It may take 15 minutes.
Okay.
we'll see you guys in 15 minutes.
Okay. I pause the video for now. Okay, so it's going up a little bit. It's gonna take a few more minutes. Okay, so it's showing up. So it looks like the IgG is positive, which means that there's an immunity that's formed. Because he got the COVID vaccine 3 weeks ago. How many weeks ago was it? Yeah, about 3 weeks ago, and it does confirm that he has the immunity and he doesn't have the actual disease, which may be formed right after the IgM that's gonna show up if you had a recent infection. So that's negative. So he didn't have any infection. And IgG, he got the infection after 3 weeks after the COVID vaccine, the second dose. All right, so that's how you use this echo test, the home test kit for antibody.
So he does not have a recent virus.
No virus. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.